choose the top to be flat. I just know that there's like creatures living in here, and it stresses me out. I'm not sure. I could be. That's like
so should we go to the horse ford or the log crossing? Holy look at this, how amazing this looks.
That's really cool.
God, it's like a fantasy land. I feel like fairies are gonna jump out at us any moment.
Surprise! I'm the fairies were here the whole time. it was me.
You were the fairy?
Yeah. I like how Hamish is our comparison.
Right? Dude, look at this!
But she's short, so everything's gonna change.
True.
Exactly, that's right.
Whoa! Hold on to this.
It's beautiful. You're gonna get dripped down. More mud.
Wow.
No, you're not.
Dude, this is incredible.
Have you been to the Sequoia Forest? That's mushroom! You're a mushroom! There's this one. Ooh, you okay?
Yep.
Don't trip on that log. There's this one hike where my family goes camping every year, where it's not a rainforest, so it's way drier than this. But the trail is like 4 or 5 times as wide, and the trees are like 3 times as wide and tall.
Look at this.
What are we looking at?
It's a mushroom.
Is it a mushroom? It's a mushroom. That's a weird mushroom. It's the weirdest mushroom I've ever seen. See, look at it. There's a white one. What kind of mushroom is it? The one that grows?
The one that grows?
And there's something actually that lives inside of it? No, no. This is going to be such a good day to smoke.
Oh,
Fairies!
Look at this. It's just amazing.
Shane just turned 39. Oh, wait, really? Yeah. That is everyone's reaction. Shane.
Like, what?
Yeah, he always says that he's 80. Or that he was born 1,000 years ago.
When the dinosaurs roamed the earth. I remember when the meteor hit.
So much experience doing so many things. Snacks?
No.
Gross. Love you, Pete. What would you do if I ate one of these mushrooms right now?
Stop.
Guess we're leaving her.
Please don't.
Hospital tour. So what did you guys do for your first Bumble date?
We met at a coffee shop, a 24-hour coffee shop, at 9 p.m., which is a bad idea.
Noodle.
But,
I'm so glad you didn't get murdered.
Me too.
Like, I had the same reaction when we were waiting for you to show up at the pizza shop. I was like, it's getting late. She changed her mind and hastily she went home.
Oh no, I wouldn't do that to you. I felt bad that we were like just running so behind.
Well, at least you had me posted instead of just like showing up.
That is true.
You okay, Pete?
We can wait up for him right here.
From on the bridge? Yeah. Oh, look at this sign.
I am. Watch Hamish gets on this bridge and look, the moss looks like tiny pine trees he didn't like.
Oh, the spider webs on them.
Oh no, thanks.
It does look like tiny pine. Pine trees though.
Wow, look at this. This is worth it.
Dude, look. What is that? Film your butt?
Feel my butt?
Just your butt.
Just my butt.
That's what I got going on right now.
See, look at this.
Babe! Well, I mean, you're fucking
It's a tree and we're in the forest. Think anybody heard it? I mean,
I think there's a Family Guy sketch like that where like a tree falls over and like a guy, it doesn't make any noise at all. And a guy looks over and goes, what the f***? And the tree goes, ah! Fully looks like fairies.
It means you could be.
Means just like we cannot confirm or deny whether or not Hamish is a duck.
Butt.
it's very old.
I filmed your butt.
She got a real close up on it. Full cheek.
Pants came down and everything.
You just didn't notice. You were fully pants like ass naked over the middle of the woods.
Thank you. That's how I roll.
You thought that would be threatening?
I mean, logically no, emotionally.